Hello guys, welcome back. So I saw this post, all right, and I decided to trace it to Facebook and I found it. As you can see here, this post was made by a person called Biafra or Biafra. And Ngozi and Ikenga, your men are with us now. We don't threaten, but we are here for Biafra to accomplish. The convoy is one of your commanders, Okosofai, who ran away, or say, let me just open it more so that you can understand it. I said, who run away today may not run away tomorrow. That is what the person that made the post said. And according to people that shared it, that made me to trace the name to Facebook, they claim that the person that owned this account is no other than um, Commander Gentle. So I saw that post. I was like, okay, let me know what the video is all about. As you can see here, let us just take it step by step because I don't want to miss any of that. So I want to show you the person who made this post. Don't worry, we are coming to this one you are seeing here because Sona Barawa actually says something about the so-called account. So now the person that shared it is here. Okay. When I saw this post, I said, okay, let me check the owner of the account, which is Biafra or Biafra. And according to him, he said Biafra or Biafra, he wrote Gentle the Yahoo, meaning that according to him, not me, that the person who said this, you are seeing here, who said this, who made this post is Gentle. That is what this person wants you to believe on. He wants you to believe that this post here is made by Gentle. As you can see, the date is 24th April 2025. All right. Remember, we've talked about this issue, this event that took place in somewhere in Arundis Jog, sorry, where Biafran Disunite decided to react on that, and he said the unprintable stuff against COS, against USB government, that made us to go in detail to discuss about it, so for people to understand what that means and what is maybe his intention. Now, this person you are seeing here, the Seer, made this post, and made this post as he shared the screenshot from the post, according to him, made by Gentle. General Gentle speaks. This is a general in the field who tells you what he sees in the battlefield. Your Madam Hanematu Abubakar, aka Ngozi Orabueze, is a saboteur. That is what the person said, which is Seer. Now, like I said, let us read the post again from what he said here. Ngozi Orabueze and Ikenga, your men are with us now. We don't threaten, but we are here for Biafra to accomplish. This convoy is one of your commanders, Okosofai, who run away today may not run away tomorrow. That is what he says. Now, the question is, who owns this account? This account you are seeing here, who is the owner? Is it truly Gentle? Is it truly Gentle, or is it another Royce on Facebook? Is it Royce on Facebook? Because some people may not understand why I asked this question. There was a time that Gentle made it publicly clear that he's not on social media. He said it. I am not on social media. Forget about a guy who checked the video that he made, that particular video where he talked about Royce, where he won Royce, where he claimed the day he made a video where he claimed that that no money, that he don't receive any money. I believe many of you, if not all of you, are conversant with that video because it's not too long. The video of, I think, last 2 months or last month, I can't remember. He said it clear that he's not on social media. But this account, who that bears Biafra or Biafra, is what I tell you now that Gentle is one in control. I'm not saying that I have evidence that he's not. Maybe he is the one, but I'm just wondering why did he, if he have this account and this account is posting often. Okay, let us check the activities of this account so that you understand why I'm asking this question. Let us check the activities. Here, he made this post when? On 24th of April. Then you come down here, he made another post here on 24th of April as well. Wait, this is laughing. Then you come down, you see 23rd of April. You will later announce to them to start carrying polythene bags. I have whistle and it is free to share. Mocking the whistle that the idea of USB, COS, and DBM, different government, made about the whistle. Although we are going to make a separate video about the whistle again, because there's a new development on that. Now, the person who is behind this account is mocking everything that represents USB. My question is, if that is true, why did the Gentle come out and say that he's not on social media? Because this account is posting often. You can see that this one is 17th of April. Okay, and to me, my own little understanding, my own little, knowledge, I don't believe that this account, that Gentle is behind this Biafra or Biafra. I don't believe that. Maybe I am wrong, but this is my own opinion, please. And you can see the person is just posting like a content creator, and you can see posting often 14, 17, 14, every 16. Okay, so every now and then the account is busy posting something on Facebook. So if that is Gentle, I don't know. If it's not Gentle, I don't know. But my own is to bring it to your notice. And the person is here promoting, Briggy and de facto government and all that. Okay, and yet, I mean, this is look at this post here, condemning this commander from Aludo in the past. Okay, you can see they share that the handler of the account shared it as well in condemnation of those people. And a lot is going on here. He said, your challenge has been accepted." So this post is where I felt that it could be Gentle truly, but whether it's Gentle or not, my question is, if Gentle is the one, why did he say he's not on social media? Because the activities of this owner of the account on social media is very, very, very active on social media. So now let's move to another issue that we need to discuss about. Because I don't want to, I mean, many of you that know me, you should know that I don't dwell much about issue of men on ground, definitely Liberation Army. I only, expose what I think that is why it is needed to, to be talked about, like letting Biafran know the truth behind some of the propaganda and the propagandists, because they're not sleeping. What you see here is this. He says, "Watch out how Ngozi Orabufulani buys some Biafrans." That's from Sonny Agbarawa, the chief propagandist, educated chief propagandist. He said, Ngozi Orabufulani is buying some Biafrans she has deceived after posting their names, phone numbers online, and Ezane state governor, and giving them Fulani account to put money in Nigeria. And this video was what happened, and the video is trending somehow about what happened in this place. But we are going to watch it. Watch.
Yeah, we know governor of Ezani under Ngozi, USD, United States of Biafra, United States of Biafra Ngozi, not really the United States of Biafra, United States of Nigeria Ngozi. So yeah, we know the governor of Ezani, can the zoo, the zoo, Jekwari Yenene, there's the Ngozi in Parliament here, there's the Ngozi in Parliament here. Susiana Monono. Onye na-alamenti ụdị ihe a ka ọ nwere ihe ọ ga-emewu idiot ga-aga show onwe ya na-asị gọvanọ gọvanọ
In case you don't know, the person laughing and mocking is one called Okute TV. DOS members in with Ogenkere fall back in the Republic. Why? Because this is how the DOS used to mock PM those days. Yeah, the person that told you that he's going to do this. This is not the first time. I don't know why it's so difficult for people to see the handwriting on the wall. I don't know why it is so difficult. When you see them, this is how they roll. Now, let us just flash to you about that incident that took place. And remember, to tell you that they could be the one behind the demolition, working with the security, Nigerian security force, because what CS post here, she did not mention governor or anything. As you can see here, this is post that CS made. Breaking April 25th, 2025, the war for survival and defense of the United States of Biafra, live story and videos of the wickedness of Nigerian government headed by President Tinubu and his defense chief Christopher Musa on how they invaded and destroyed the home of the United States of Biafran Ezana State Governor. Okay, now I get it. So she mentioned it. So meaning that Okute Biafra is reporting what he saw on Ngozi's platform. Because when I was reading it from the one he shared on the video, I did not see any with that anyway. Okay, because okay, the video started from that part. Okay, that's why. So now up here you see that she actually mentioned that he's governor, United States of Ezra, a governor, just for being a Biafra. Now, the destruction, buying, intimidation, and crime by the Nigerian state against Biafran Christians will not go unpunished. I am Chief. I am Chief Daniel Ali, a former a farmer. Okay, I am from Umuaka. Amakpanato. I don't know this. I don't know if I pronounce it well. The name of the Achi in Uji River, local government of Enugu State. I am surprised to see what I saw on 15th of April 2025 when I saw some police and army coming to our house. When I saw them, I ran out of the house because their mood is like they are going to war. I hide in the bush near our house watching them. I did not come out because I don't know what they come for. I don't know what they came for, okay? Until I saw them bringing our properties, putting in their motor. After 3 days, they came back with caterpillar bulldozer, and level the house where all the family lives. Till now, I don't know what they said that I did. Now we have no house, no place to live. That is what CS posted, and the video is this. Okay, the video is this. I don't know if I can locate the volume. Okay, the volume is on. Let's see. So the volume is on and you cannot hear anything. I don't hear anything, to be honest with you, from the video. But you can see how they level the compound and everything is down, totally down. Now, everybody have their own opinion. Okay, I have my own opinion. I have a lot to say about this, but the only thing is that I am not gonna, say all those things now until I verify some of these questions that I want to know about what happened here. But the truth is that it has been confirmed that the house is house of governor, okay, under USB that had been demolished according to what CS herself put out here. Okay, not this is no longer hearsay. So when Elgin Camp are mocking and laughing at that, they are not mocking and laughing because it is hearsay. They got it from the right source from COS. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your own opinion about this? What is your own opinion? Then the issue of Gentle, what Gentle said, according to what they put out here, that the issue is that, to me, I want to confirm as well if truly the person that made this post is Gentle. Okay, because that, if truly the person that made the post is Gentle, it simply means that Gentle is no near USB government, because there's no way he will make this post and he's with USB. So I don't think if that he's the one. Okay, judging by what he said in the past, that he's not on social media. That's my stand of argument, because I want to know if you guys will say otherwise. This post here speak volume. He said, Ngozi and Ikenga, your men are with us now. We don't threaten, but we are here for Biafra to accomplish the convoy. The convoy is one of your commanders. He mentioned the name Okosofai. I don't know if I pronounce his name. That's this nickname. He said, "Who run away today may not run away tomorrow." That is his own statement. And the one called the Seer is busy sharing that and bragging about it. So that's why I felt like, no, something is wrong somewhere. Now I promised to bring to you this, of course, about account. Now I've made the video about this account issue before, and I told you the reason why those who are talking about it are the one behind it. Because any account being sent, they will be the one to report it. It's not as if the sending of local accounts to people for people to pay money started just now. It had been like that when the PM was here. So the question is, why is it so easy for them for the account to be tracked down and seized and all this thing they're claiming, which is not true. But the truth is that they're tracking the account down. But the number of people they're saying that are arresting and kidnapping and all that is not true. But the issue is that revealing the account is not something that is hidden. Those who are carrying it on their head are the one responsible for the tracking of the account, and they'll be the first to report to you that Mr. A, Mr. Okeko Kavo have been tracked down. They'll be the one to report it first. If they are not the one, how do they know? So then, if you are looking for those working with Nigerian government, you should open your eyes or ask yourself some questions. Now, let us read what something said here. Those that want to buy more will still go join Orabufunani Islamic Club of Nigeria tomorrow when Nigerian buy you after following that what she posts for you. She will be the first to announce your death on social media like Ndoka Ebele, Ezane, state governor, and more that she handed over to Nigerian DSS. The truth is that she's not handing anything to DSS. These people are the one taking advantages of everything, reporting and working hand in hand with Nigerian security force to track them down. That's just a fact. Now, you may ask, the governor he mentioned here, is it true? Yes, it is true, because COS has actually posted that on her handle. So I don't know, like I always tell you, we are here to tell you the real truth the way it is. So without handing, so it is the responsibility of those leading to do what they can do so that they will not be mentioned and they will not be, revealed in our broadcast. I'm not here to tell you anything different from what is going on. But like the issue of account, as we are seeing here, it is the responsibility or the duty of Ogenkere Group that they have vowed to make sure that any account being posted or being revealed will be tracked down and be shut down. Remember, like I said, using of local account or account of does not belong, the account that bears different name from Biafran name, it did not start today. It did not start then. Then the issue is that when they tell you they're tracking the account, the people that put money in the account, is it possible? The answer is no. How can you tell me that going to POS and send money that the people that will track you down? When you check the people that they have arrested or tracked down, they are not POS agent. I don't know if you're following what I'm saying. If you go to POS now and say you want to send money to any account, and you send the money, they cannot trace you. Rather, they will trace the POS agent, right? Now, when they trace the POS agent, the POS we of course they will understand that they are doing commercial business, so holding them doesn't carry any water. But if you check the record of people that these people are bragging and telling you that they have been arrested because of their account, they are not near to anything POS. They are not POS agent, meaning that they are not being tracked. Those ones are different from what they're telling you, but they have to use it to achieve what they want to achieve. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So those who want to understand it will understand. Those who want to argue, you can argue with your ancestors. Anyway, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about all we've discussed so far. God bless you and bye bye for now. Thank you.